Basically, I started losing my hair when I was about 33 years old, and obviously me being a professional footballer at the time, I started to get a little bit worried about it because I was watching myself on TV and I was getting a lot of photographs taken of myself, so I decided to do something about it. I think when I was 33, I don't think there was very many things out there transplant-wise, and basically I think you look at the sporty people like the likes of Shane Warne and Michael Vaughan and people like that who've went through this similar process. And that kind of caught my eye, so I didn't really know that it was out there up until maybe 6 months ago. Now I'm going to get it done, and I've obviously spoken to a lot of my mates about this, so I'm not really embarrassed about it. And I know that people talk about hair transplants more now than they ever have done. So why not show everybody how the process works? And I'm definitely going to get it done, and I'm looking forward to the results afterwards. Well, basically, I'm having the grafts on the front of my forehead where I'm just receding a little bit, and I don't want it to get any worse. So, I'm just hoping that my appearance is better, because obviously I'm working in TV and media now, and just so I can basically look at myself back on TV, because that's one of the things at the moment I'm kind of cautious about, being on TV in the first place, which I really enjoy, and then watching myself back to see how it went. So if that works for me and I feel more confident in doing that, then great. Now I'm a little bit nervous, if I'm totally honest with you, but I've obviously spoke to Dr. Farjo, and he's put me on my place and told me that there's no pain and there's no pressure on it. So he's kind of put me at ease a little bit. So now I'm kind of getting where I'm looking forward to it. I mean, there's a lot of men out there obviously in a similar situation to myself, and if I can put it out there where they feel free and comfortable to kind of go through the same process as me, then great. But again, I think if everybody does see how it works, it'll maybe put their minds at ease, and if somebody is thinking about it but didn't want to go through the process, if they come along and they see how it works on myself, then maybe then it'll change their mind, and they might come to somewhere like this. I've spoke to Dr. Farjo, and obviously he said that within 3 weeks I think I can go back and get a haircut. So that's a pretty quick process. But I think the other side of it is where your hair starts to grow regular like the rest of the hair on obviously my head. I think it's between 6 and 8 months. So it's not a long process. I mean, 6 to 8 months isn't a long time. So when it starts to grow normally after that, I think that's the part I'm looking forward to most.